Hello. Today we're going to react to eating McDonald's inside Jollibee as Ronald. Comment trolling. I have never seen this video, but one of my friends, Mayin, sent me a suggestion. She said, can you please look at this? And of course I'm going to look at this. I love Jollibee and I love McDonald's. I love eating. Guys, I love eating so much. Comment down below if you like to eat. Do you like to eat? Just trying to get myself situated so I'm not blocking the frame, so I'm just gonna move way back. Wow, why is this? Oh. All right, guys, we're just figuring the frame out right now. Should I go on that side? No, I'm gonna be on this side of frame. Okay, you ready? Are you ready to watch it? Let's check it out.
Sir, good evening po, sir. Sir, Jongga po, kapinsana po ng mga itlog sa bansa po. May tanong lang po ako. May favor lang po ako sa inyo. Okay lang po ba sa inyo pakita ko sa inyo yung picture ng itlog ko? Ano po, pang legit check lang po. Legit check. Kasi naano kasi ako kasi bagong tabas lang, sir. Bermuda. Pina-bermuda ko kasi. Nandito, sir, nagpa-photoshoot ako eh. Okay lang ba, sir?
Gusto mo lang pakita?
Papakita ko lang sa inyo, sir, para kung okay ba, maayos ba pagkakatabas. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Para sa mga lalaki. Walang mali siya lang, sir. Okay lang, sir. Ito, sir. Okay, sir. Ano na kayo? Ano ka na, sir, niya, sir? Ano, sir?
Surprise, motherfucker!
Okay lang. Okay lang, sir. Okay lang, sir. Okay lang pagkakatabas. Pero okay lang, sir. Okay lang. Sali ko kasi, sir, sa Word.
What am I reacting to right now? Oh, the world egg. Okay.
World egg competition, sir. Okay, pero okay lang, sir. Okay lang pagkaka...
Okay, there's nothing wrong. I don't see any malicious thing about it.
Oh, no!
There's nothing wrong about it. It's okay.
It's okay.
Don't worry.
May tissue po ba kayo?
You want to show it.
May tissue po ba kayo, sir? Parang na-nosebleed po ako konti. May tissue po kayo?
Wala.
Wala pa. Sige po. Salamat, sir. Salamat po. Maraming
Don't
salamat,
worry
sir.
about it. Show it to anyone.
Thank you, sir.
I really like his intro. He's funny. You know, guys, I've done some public prank videos like this on my main channel and with other YouTubers, and it is actually very hard. So he must have a lot of courage. It's hard because it's just, you got to talk to strangers and you got to keep talking to them. When you look at them and you know in their eyes they don't want to talk to you. That's the hardest thing ever. It's almost as if you're going up to a guy or girl that you like and you're getting rejected. It's that feeling of, wow, I just did something really wrong.
Excuse me po. Excuse me po. Excuse me po. Pwede po magtanong, saan po nakakabili na ng napkin po, yung may pakpak? Sa baba po. Supermarket. Sige po. Salamat po.
He's silly.
Excuse me. Tara, shabu. Shabuhay ko. Ay!
He's brave. Very brave.
Hi, sir. Maganda.
Oh, this is awesome. So what he's doing is he's doing his comments to people at the mall. What a genius idea.
Hapon po. Na-mental block po kasi ako. Ano pong English ng sekreto?
Ha?
Ano pong English ng sekreto?
Secret.
Ay? Sige na po. Ano po English?
Secret. Secret nga.
Sige na po. Ano po English ng sekreto po?
Okay na
Sige na
ako.
po.
Secret.
Sige na po. Please.
Secret ang English ng sekreto. Secret.
Sige na po.
Yun nga eh.
Apo.
Yun nga ang English ng sekreto. Secret.
Ano pong gagawin ko para sabihin niyo po sa akin?
Ha?
Ano pong gagawin ko para sabihin niyo po sa akin?
Yun nga eh. Secret eh.
Sige po, salamat na lang po. Sa iba na lang po siguro. Salamat. Sir? Sir, excuse me. Do you know where to find the nearest, where to buy the nearest gym equipments? My bad. I'm Jonga. Nice meeting. Guys, do you know where to find the nearest bathroom instead? Oh, you don't know? Okay, thank you.
Magkano kape niyo, kuya? Magkano kape? 22. Magkano, kuya? Ano na? Saan dito, kuya? Choco na lang. Choco na lang. Ito na.
Dito tayo, sir. May word card tayo, sir?
Ay, wala po. Kayo, kamusta mga buhay dito? Kamusta kayo ano dito?
Sir, parang chichika tayo dito.
Sarap ng ano nyo ha, ng chocolate nyo. Wala kayong massage dito kaya? Massage dito?
Kunin, may massage yun, no?
Tsaka pedicure, manicure, ha?
Kala ko galing ka sa massage na tayo mo.
Ay, hindi. Sarap. Hindi ko mamatay. Saglit magano lang ako. Paano ba to? Pang sanitizer sa mukha. Ayos to. Ay, lagyan natin sa face. Ayaw mo. Ikaw pogi. Gusto mo?
Kagikan, sir. Kagikan?
Ano po, sa condo. Kaso walang tubig sa condo. Wala rin toothpaste, wala rin toothbrush.
Saan na kondo?
Hindi ko din po alam. Basta wala lang ano eh.
Sir, yellow, sir. Asa na siya banda? Asa ka kita? Sorry, sir, ha?
Ay, may lawawa dyan. Sige lang, ako lang dito. Ano? Sarap ng toothpaste nyo. Sarap ng toothpaste.
Sarap?
May ano yan, may halong chocolate.
Tingin ka ba?
Wala din.
Lakad ka lang papunta dito? Ano sinakyan mo?
Oh my god, those poor people. They're probably freaking out. I would totally freak out. Guys, we do lots of stuff on this channel. We react, we play video games, we do everything.
Nalunok ko eh. Oo, masarap.
Dito tayo, sir. Dito tayo.
Okay na yan po. Pwede pa plastic din ito.
Try ko na yun din eh.
Ay, saglit.
Baka may gusto ka bang bilhin, sir?
May shampoo kayo?
Yes po.
Pwede dito ako maligo? Dito lang ako ligo sa labas.
Maligo ka na, sir. Matawag ka na kasi yung buko.
Ano lang, binasa ko lang para kunyari naligo.
Sa ngayon, nararamdaman ko ang lakas ng presensya nila.
Ano lang, tricks lang yun. Ano na ako, tol?
I want to collab with him. Oh my goodness, guys. I really want to collab with him. I'm going to lower this desktop audio a little bit. Wow. I love you guys. Thank you for watching and supporting.
Wala sa isip ko na ito'y gagawin mo.
Oh my god.
Parang biro lamang.
It's kind of creepy, but I love how he's playing the sad Jollibee music in his Ronald outfit. It's just kind of amazing.
Dumating ang tulad mo.
Oh my goodness. He's eating McDonald's in the Jollibee. Wow. This is kind of epic, guys. People are laughing. They're just like, who is this crazy guy? Who is this man in here? The employees are laughing too. They're all looking at him. They're thinking, who is this guy? They're all coming out of the door. They're all wondering what they should do right now. They're like, what do we do about this?
Sir, meron kayong hotdog. Hotdog. Anong hotdog? Masarap ba yan? Sige, bibili ako.
Oh my goodness. Are they gonna throw his McDonald's away? Let's see what they do. Oh wait, no, they're just perfectly nice employees at Jollibee. Oh my goodness. This is so funny. I think they're laughing. People are all laughing. That moment when somebody has someone to flirt with, but you've got no. Oh my god, this guy is so funny. I want to collab with him so bad. Where is he? Where does he live? I'm going to stalk this Ronald McDonald. I need to collab with him. He's hysterical. I just love that he dressed up as Ronald McDonald and then started putting like Jollibee memes. I'm crying. My eyes are watering. My fake eyelashes are going to fall off because this is so funny. That's how funny this is that I'm crying. Guys, there's videos that'll make you so sad you cry, and then there's videos that will make you laugh so hard you cry, and I'm very proud to say Jollibee now has done both, but it's not really Jollibee, it's this YouTuber who does trolling videos. So sarcastic and funny. Maybe it's because I associate Jollibee with crying that now watching this video and seeing what he's doing, it's like, oh, this is that time where you cry, but it's funny. Anyway.
Wala kayong hotdog?
Wala, sir. Ay, Jolly hotdog ako.
Opo, titikman ko lang po. Mataba po ba yung hotdog? Mataba?
Yes po.
Anong color? Color brown?
Yes po, brown.
Brown. No, po.
Guys, do you think the employees knew he was a famous YouTuber? Do you think they knew? Maybe they're probably thinking we're at Jollibee right now. Anything can happen. I can find love, or I could star in a YouTube video with millions of views. It's whichever you want the most. What do you guys want more? Would you rather be a YouTube star, or would you rather find love? Let me know in the comments below.
Isa pong...
Jolly hotdog.
Isa po.
Jolly hotdog with 33.
Isa lang po. Jackdog hotdog.
Ba't meron dito?
Wala, ano kasi, day off ko kasi. 8 months kasi akong nakatayo din sa ano. Nakastay din ako dun.
Gusto ka mag-sideline dira, sir.
Kaya nga eh, baka maganda si Jollibee ba?
Sideline,
Magaling po ako. Sanay na po ako dun, sir. Magaling ako, sir. Pumarang. Ako, sir. Salamat po, sir. The best talaga sa... Sir, sir! Sir, yes sir, sir, may kubeta dito sir. Sir, pwede ba sir, pasis? Pasis sir, pasis.
Nandun pa sa gilid sir.
Sir, pasok ka na sir.
Savage!
Nandiyan ka, at dito ka, para may forever. Dito ka, sa loob. Sir, sir, pwede na patapon sir, patapon. Salamat sir, salamat po. Gusto na Jollibee? Gusto na? Una na ako Jollibee ha? Duty pa ako. Bye Jollibee, bye-bye.
Did they kick him all away? Wow, this guy is awesome, guys. Wow.
Hoy, mga tuko! Shout out pala kay
Stephanie Salamanca!
kay Faye Bel Mamba! At saka kay Ralph Jesus Ofunda.
Yohon!
Subscribe to our vlogging channel!
Let's go!
Sa comment section. Sa comment section niya.
Follow us on Twitter and on Instagram. Let's go!
Let's go! Let's go!
Hoy!
Follow nyo kami sa Instagram. Lagi kami nagbambay dito. Let's go!
Oh my god.
So kamusta ang araw nyo dyan? Alam mo sa ating bagong video, editing na ulit ngayon ang ating bagong video, which is the comment trolling.
I really like these guys. They're funny.
Ay, mga toko.
They're so funny.
Comment natin to kami for shoutouts mga toko! Let's go!
Hoy, hoy!
Yohon!
Let's go! Yohon!
Wow.
Tandaan nyo palagi!
Tuloy-tuloy lang! Ha, good vibes!
Peace!
Baka magpatawag ng barangay. Gabi na dito.
Peace, 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 peace.
Oh wow. Very smart guys. They're very smart guys. Oh my goodness. Oh no! I think these guys are amazing. They are so interesting and so great. You have no idea. That's why I had to move all the way over. I didn't press the wrong button. Excuse my sweatpants. I was just like, how come? Have you ever had a really long day? This has been a really long day. You just feel drained and you don't know what you're doing, and then just life happens. That's what today was. But oh my god, these guys are funny. I want to go to the Philippines to collab with them. I just looked them up on Instagram. Well, they don't follow that many people. I wonder if I follow them, will they follow me back? Let's see. Oh my god, let's see. You guys are so funny. I'm gonna comment. So funny. You are so funny. You are so funny. You are so funny. Let's see. Let's see if they comment back, guys. But if they ever come to America, I want to collab. I love how they do videos. I think it's a genius way to do videos, except my comments would be a little bit different. It's just like a If I had to do my comments in real life, like me act them out, maybe if you guys dare me stuff in the comments, guys. Dare me to do crazy things in my comments, and maybe one day in the future I will do a video a Tacoma challenge. I should do the Tacoma challenge, but I don't know. Hopefully they come to America and I meet them, or maybe I should just go to the Philippines. Anyway, guys, I love you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to me and follow me everywhere. My main channel is I Want My Lauren. Do that. Do it. Love you guys. Check out Tacoma. Links to them in my description.